Imagine turning on your TV and instantly feeling like you're inside a movie theater: rich colors, booming sound, lightning-fast speed, and zero ads fighting for your attention. That's exactly what Apple is aiming for with the upcoming Apple TV 4K, and if the leaks are accurate, this could be the most refined living room upgrade Apple has ever made. Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we cut through the hype and break down what actually matters, and trust me, you'll want to watch this till the end, because this device might quietly replace every other streaming box in your home. At first glance, Apple TV 4K might look like just another small black box, but once you experience it, the difference becomes obvious. This upcoming version is built around cinematic picture and sound, supporting true 4K resolution, Dolby Vision HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos. Translation? Deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and immersive surround sound that makes action scenes hit harder and quiet moments feel more emotional. Whether you're watching Netflix, Apple TV+, Disney+, or Prime Video, everything looks cleaner, sharper, and more alive than on most competitors. But visuals are only half the story. Powering this device is Apple's A15 Bionic chip, the same class of processor that once ran flagship iPhones. And that changes everything. Apps open instantly, menus glide without stutter, and multitasking feels effortless. No loading circles. No random lag. Just pure speed. Even casual users will notice it, but if you've ever been frustrated by slow Fire Sticks or laggy smart TVs, this alone is a game changer. Now here's where Apple really separates itself. The upcoming Apple TV 4K doesn't just work with your Apple devices, it feels like an extension of them. If you have an iPhone, iPad, or HomePod, everything connects seamlessly. You can share content instantly, control playback from your phone, and even use continuity camera to make FaceTime calls directly on your TV, with studio-quality framing. Imagine family video calls on a big screen that actually look good. That's the Apple ecosystem doing what it does best. Apple has also refined the Siri remote, and yes, it finally charges via USB-C. The aluminum remote features a smooth clickpad with touch gestures, precise directional control, and dedicated buttons for power, volume, and Siri. It's simple, premium, and actually enjoyable to use, something most streaming remotes can't claim. And Siri itself feels faster and smarter, letting you search content across apps, control smart home devices, or jump straight into a show with a single voice command. Speaking of content, Apple TV 4K is more than just a streaming device, it's a full Apple services hub. Apple TV Plus delivers high-quality originals with cinematic production values. Apple Music turns your TV into a massive jukebox. Apple Fitness Plus brings guided workouts into your living room. And Apple Arcade? This is where things get surprisingly impressive. With the A15 chip inside, Apple Arcade offers console-quality gaming, smooth frame rates, and controller support, all without downloads cluttering your system. And if you're building a smart home, this device quietly becomes the brain of it all. The upcoming Apple TV 4K acts as a HomeKit hub, allowing you to control lights, cameras, thermostats, and accessories from your TV, iPhone, or Siri voice commands. It's not flashy, but it's incredibly powerful for users already invested in smart home tech. One of the most underrated features, and something Apple rarely gets enough credit for, is the ad-free interface. No sponsored tiles. No forced promotions. No clutter. Just clean rows of content, beautifully organized. Once you experience this, it's hard to go back to platforms that feel more like billboards than entertainment systems. There's also TV color calibration, which lets you use your iPhone's camera to automatically tune your TV's colors for accurate brightness, contrast, and tones. It's a subtle feature, but it can dramatically improve picture quality, especially if you've never professionally calibrated your display. So who is this device really for? If you're already an Apple user, it's a no-brainer. Everything just works better together. If you care about premium performance, long-term updates, and polished design, this is one of the best streaming experiences available. Gamers will appreciate the power of Apple Arcade, and home theater enthusiasts will love the Dolby Vision and Atmos combo. But let's be honest, it's not perfect. The price will be higher than Roku or Fire Stick alternatives, and to truly unlock its potential, you'll need a 4K TV and a compatible sound system. This isn't a budget device. It's a premium one. In short, the upcoming Apple TV 4K isn't trying to compete on price, it's competing on experience. Speed, visuals, sound, ecosystem, and simplicity all come together in a way very few devices manage to achieve. And that's what makes this release so exciting. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more premium tech breakdowns without the noise, you're already in the right place. This is Tech Vibe, where quality always comes first. Hit that like button if this helped you. Subscribe for more upcoming tech leaks and reviews, and stay tuned, because the future of home entertainment is just getting started.